Hello everyone, welcome back to knowledge sharing series using Raspberry Pi, nodered and IoT. In this video we are going to discuss about the node management using Pallete. How to add some extra node and how to work with that node, that we are going to see in this video. Friends, when you install nodered on Raspberry Pi, it will install few selected most common nodes for your Raspberry Pi. So now if you want to work with some of the specialized node, you need to install it manually. Now here you can see that it is showing that DHT22 is one of the node which might not be available in your nodered installation. And as you might be knowing, DHT11 and DHT22 are two different sensors for measuring the temperature and humidity. So let's see how we can add such kind of nodes. So first of all, you can go on this particular menu, then click on the Manage Pallete. Here on the left hand side of this UI, you can see the nodes where it is showing that available nodes. These are the available nodes into your nodered, right? And on the next tab, it is showing that install. By typing some name here, let's say DHT, it will show me the list of the nodes available into the nodered repository. Now see the first one, nodered contrib DHT sensor. Still, if you are confused which one to install, just click over here. It will open a particular website and it gives you an official details about that node where you can use and how to use. Here it is showing that it is used to manage connection to DHT11 and DHT22 sensor on Raspberry Pi. So if it is in particular DHT11 22 nodes, or you are going to work with this, you can install this. As I have already installed, this tab, this button is not available, but if you see here, it is available. So by this way you can install this. This is the GUI method. The second method you can use is you execute this command into the Raspberry Pi command line. Again, both are going to do the same thing. After installing, it will give you a particular node available into the list of your this particular node list, where you can find if sometimes it is difficult to find the particular node. So just type here DHT. It is there, see Raspberry Pi, under the group of Raspberry Pi DHT22. Same way, many a time you face the difficulty in database. So check for the MySQL database, go to the install MySQL. There are many options available, which one to use and where to use, how to use, which one is best suitable for me. And if you don't want to check from here, go to the official website of nodered, click on the flows. It will give you the library of nodered with the available and newly coming up the nodes and the flows. Just try to explore any of these. Let's say I'm exploring the nodes. You can read the details, whichever is most suitable to you, and you can install and start working. As well as you can search here, let's say MySQL, and you can see there are 4 major details nodes are available, how much popularity, how many times it was downloaded. Based on that you can check it out. You open the node MySQL, it is showing something like this, the details are given, and on the right hand side it is also showing the symbol of that particular MySQL node into your nodered. Fine friend. I suggest if you want to try, you can try with the dashboard. I have already installed in my, we are going to use that dashboard, even dashboard. We are going to use this dashboard, but don't go with that one. Let me show you here the dashboard. This one, nodered dashboard. You install it. It is having 21 nodes. Fine. And more we will add later on as and when it is required. So friends, likewise you can install the n number of flows and number of nodes which are available freely on the site. you can check and you can install it, and that will help you a lot to design your particular flow. So in next video we are going to see some of the sensor based nodes and some of the particular database related nodes, as well as I am requesting all of you to install the dashboard, which is most important. We are going to design a dashboard in coming videos which will help you to see everything graphically, and it is a wonderful atmosphere and environment to work with the nodered. I hope you like the video and you will try the new nodes and install it in your nodered. Kindly subscribe the channel to get the regular updates on knowledge sharing series. Thank you.